Braava is a robotic mop created by iRobot, the same company that makes the Roomba vacuum robots. It is designed to automatically clean hard floors by sweeping and mopping using smart navigation and cleaning pads. Braava detects walls, furniture, and stairs to prevent collisions or falls. Braava robots are designed to automate floor cleaning, focusing on sweeping and mopping hard floors efficiently. Braava can sweep, mop, and maintain spotless hard floors automatically, offering a convenient and hands-free cleaning experience. You can set it running, walk away, and come back to cleaner floors, especially nice for busy households. Braava uses dry cleaning pads to pick up dust, hair, and small debris from hard surfaces. It uses damp pads to remove stains, dirt, and sticky messes. It maps out rooms and moves methodically to ensure complete coverage without missing spots. It detects walls, furniture, rugs, and stairs to prevent collisions or falls.